Okay. Just click on Ooh.
Okay. Click on what? This?
No, delete it. On the top there is a delete button, right? Beside posting key,
Cancel.
there is a delete icon. There is a chart of account SHAI, and above that there is a posting key. Just beside
This one.
posting key,
Okay.
there's an icon. Click on that. I don't know. Your screen is going very slow. I think there's a issue with your net.
Is it? I mean, sometime back when I was working, it was fine.
Yeah. Okay. Save it.
There is nothing there.
No, just save it. Normal save it. I don't know. I see something else over here. Delete it again. I see a different screen altogether.
I deleted whatever I had put in. It's blank now.
It's blank now.
Yeah.
Okay. In the P&L statement, give X. In the account, give 1 0 0 0 0 0 10.
It's not accepting anything.
See, that's a yellow message, right? And what is the account you gave? Account number. What did you give that?
Triple zero. The connection has been lost.
So you got disconnected. You got disconnected. There is some issue with your net, Aditi.
I am trying actually.
No, your voice is also breaking. Your voice is also breaking. I lost you. You there, Aditi?
So yeah, I'm.
No, but your net connection. You lost your net connection. Oh.
Oh.
Still there, Aditi? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
I don't know.
Hello?
It says you are offline now. Check in
Should
the.
I
Okay.
connect again? I'll
Now you are organizer,
log
but
in
you.
again.
Yeah. All right. Usman. Hello, Usman Khalil Pasha. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello, this is Usman.
Yeah. Can you hear me, Usman?
Yes, I can hear you.
This is the first time you're joining this session.
Yes, it's the first time I'm just for a demonstration. Mr. Surinder, I think he just informed me that there are 4 or 5 lectures are over now.
Yeah. 3 sessions, I think. 3 sessions of, because initial sessions usually be like a demo sessions which I take. I go across what I'm going to teach and all that.
Okay.
What are you into, Usman?
Hello.
What do you do, Usman?
I'm working with a company in accounts department.
Okay. So that a company is into SAP?
No, it's not yet, but in fact I'm looking for some type of consultancy and looking for a certification in SAP.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this training will be sufficient to go for a certification?
Yeah, certification is just going through the books and just you go and write the
Yes,
exam.
yes,
That's it.
yes, of course, after some self-study and
Yeah,
everything.
self-study is anywhere required in that. So
Yes.
what will happen, the combination of this and the books, if you go through, you can, like for example, if you go through any particular book, okay,
Okay.
for example, yeah, around 4 books.
Okay.
Hmm.
So what about the other lecture? I have gone through one first lecture. It's okay. Or can you arrange for like backup classes for the three
Yeah.
lectures? Okay.
Yeah. 1 second.
Right.
You asked for a certification.
But I cannot see the screen. Like yes.
Okay. Now these are the books, man, that usually you see for certification.
Okay.
Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books. These are the 4
Yes.
books. Now let us see this first book. See, this is the first one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for example, if you go through these books,
Okay.
in this book, if you see, it says business examples, company. Can you see here the words that I
Yes.
used?
Yes.
Company
Yes.
code. Okay. Now, if you see here, these are the things that if you read company code, you will read it, but you will not able to catch up what it means.
Yes.
Okay. So what I'll be explaining is what is this, what is this business area, and all this.
Okay.
So what you have to do is later you need to go through all these books.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. Nothing else.
Correct.
Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Now it's clear.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Usman, I'm audible, right? You can hear me.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Aditi, am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay.
Muted. Unmuted.
He got muted. There we go. Okay, let's take it forward. Okay. Hello, Aditi.
Yes.
Okay, Usman,
Yes.
we have done only these settings, man. This is the only thing which we did. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
They'll send across the videos for you. You go through that video.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Yes.
And
Yes. I understand.
still, what I'll do is, still some more settings are there. So
Okay.
I'll carry forward with those settings. And again, when I do the testing, again I restart again for this at
Okay.
the time of the testing
Okay.
to verify how it is working. So in this
Okay.
meanwhile, what you do is you go through the 3 sessions or 4 sessions, whatever we have done. Aditi, 2, 3, how many?
3. Hello?
3 sessions. You just go through those 3 sessions.
Okay.
Yeah. Leaving the first session, I'm saying.
Okay. Yes. Actually, I've gone through one session, and it all was okay with this.
I log in back again. Aditi,
Okay, okay.
Usman,
Yes.
I log in back. Hold on.
Okay.
I'll come back
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Can you hear me now, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear. Usman?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Aditi, just right click on my name and make me organizer.
Okay.
Thanks. No, you made me only a presenter. Make me an organizer.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the settings that I covered, Usman. So all the
Okay.
settings, at the time of the testing, I'll again come back to it.
Okay.
Okay. And the meanwhile, I'll ask those people to send across the videos. You just go through those videos. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And start your practice. And any
Okay.
particular thing that you have not understood, you just mark it in the mail. Okay. Or
Okay.
keep it with you so that in the next class, we'll take it forward from there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So let's start. I don't know what is the first session of the video you got.
It was defining a company and everything.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, the problem that I was getting, can you share your email ID with me in case if it comes up again, I'll send you a picture of that.
Yeah. What I want is, can you just share your mail ID so that I'll send you across the documents, you know,
Okay.
in that. So once you receive it anyway, you'll get my mail also in that.
Okay.
Okay, just ping it over there.
Oh, okay, I'll do that.
Okay. Okay. Now, in SAP, how do you identify whether this is belonging to a customer or a vendor or through an account type, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Account types I've shown you. Aditi,
Yeah.
remember? K, which is for vendor. Remember?
Yes.
D, which stands for customer. This is how they identify through an account types.
Correct.
Right, S for GL and so on, whatever it is. Right.
Yeah.
Now let us say, now how do we identify these journal entries? Let us see here now. See, I post a journal entry which I am paying a rent. So what is the entry, Usman, when we are paying a rent?
Like I said, rent expenses to bank or cash, whatever it is.
Whatever it is. Okay. So when I'm purchasing to vendor, right?
Purchases to, yeah, yes.
When I'm selling, customer to
Customer
sales.
to sale.
Right. Now, you tell me which is GL account, which is payable accounts, which are receivables.
Payable is a vendor, customer is a receivable,
Accounts payable,
accounts
accounts
receivable.
receivable. This is your GL.
Yes.
Right. Aditi, you're getting this.
Yeah.
Now, by seeing this, you're telling, right? By seeing the entry, you're able to tell this is AR, this is AP, or whatever it is.
Right.
In SAP, these journal entries, whatever you are seeing these, they are identified by a document types.
Okay.
Now, the document type for GL is SA. The document type for accounts payable is for raising an invoice. This is KR. Okay. The document type for customer invoice, I'm telling you clearly, invoice is DR.
Okay.
Okay.
These are the standards, or
Standards. These are standards.
in SAP these are the standard.
Standards.
Okay.
Seeing this, you will tell. Seeing this, Usman, you will tell. Okay, this is a vendor invoice. This is the customer invoice.
Okay.
To these document types, we have number ranges. What are these number ranges? For example, let's say I give a number range 12999. Okay. So what is the next available number now for me? It is 1000, right? After 99,
Yes.
I'll get 1000. 1000 to 1999. So what is the next available number I get? 2000. 2000 to 2999. So it means I can have like this. This is journal entry 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
One journal entry. So when I create this journal entry and save, it says me document 1 saved.
Okay.
So like this, I can have 999 journal entries on the GL side. 999 for this payables. 999 for this accounts receivable.
So I didn't
Okay.
understand one thing. GL is basically a list of all the accounts. So then why is the accounts payable and receivable kept separately?
No, that is general ledger chart of accounts what we have designed for the general ledgers.
Okay.
Right? Chart, no, that is chart of accounts, right?
Correct.
Okay. So this is document 1 saved, document 2 saved. So like this I can have 999 journal entries. Now this is just for an example I showed you here, Aditya and Usman. Okay. This range might increase depending on the requirement of the company. Nobody will have 1,000 GL or something. It depends how many GLs for a year they'll go ahead and create it. Okay.
Okay.
The document types, number ranges. Okay, they are created number ranges. Plus these document types have some control parameters. They do control. What kind of a control parameters they have? These document types only deciding, right? Whether it is a GL, whether it's a payable, whether it's a receivable, right?
Right.
So in this document types, you call these account types. Okay, these account types you will control. You will tell in the account types whether this is applicable for GL also, whether it is applicable for payables also, whether it is applicable for customer, vendor, all this you will tell. Now in this you see this is a GL, right? Purchase is the GL, right? Sales is the GL. So all this you will tell whether it is applicable or not. Plus this document types controls the header level fields. This at the time of the execution I'll tell you what does this header fields mean. It controls the fields at the header level.
Okay.
Okay. Plus exchange rates. Okay, this we are not yet into it. So at the time of foreign exchange currency I'll show you this. Okay.
Okay.
Plus let me check what else is there. The account types allowed, exchange rates, right? This one, fields. All this I'll at the time of the testing I'll show you all this. What does this mean?
Okay.
Okay. This Now what I'll do is just for this particular document type I'll create a number range. So whenever it is required, whenever there is an issue, we'll go ahead and create a number range to it. Now what I'll do is I'll assign a number range to a document type SA. So now I need to go to the GLSA. So position, go to SA. SA, it will take you to SA. So I'm there to SA. So double click on this SA. So what's the number range here?
01.
01. Click on this number range. Give the company code. What's the company code?
A400.
A400. Click on this number range. So 01, right? Number just now you said, right? Number 01,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now you can make this to year specific. Then what will happen? Every year you need to come and change this. So rather than, I usually recommend to make it 999.
Okay.
Then from 1 to, like see, these many nines you can have. I don't know, you just count. It's a crore. I don't know what it goes beyond that.
Okay.
Okay. So that is why I keep it till 999 for me. Okay.
Okay.
These number ranges are external as well as internal. Okay. What do I mean by external and internal? If I select this external, so when I'm creating this, this journal entry, I have to specify this number.
Okay.
What happens when this? I don't understand. Suddenly I'm no more a presenter. Can you make me a presenter?
Yeah.
Usman Khaja is a presenter.
No, I'm not. I'm not presenter.
I think you are taking the session now.
Here it's showing you are only the presenter, sir.
Now I become a presenter. I don't know, somebody is playing around with what I don't know. Somebody suddenly everyone gets muted, somebody gets unmuted. Okay. So external means rent to bank I'll post. After posting rent to bank, I have to decide what number has to be given in case of an external number range. But usually in the real time you mention as an internal. If you do not select this as an internal, the system will take care of assigning the number ranges.
Okay.
So I'll save it as usual, normal. Just save it. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So after creating the number ranges, this is all about the number ranges. Okay, so whenever the issue comes, whenever the requirement comes, we'll do it. So number ranges can be external. If you do not assign, that is an internal, either one. Any questions?
No.
Hello?
No.
Okay, so you have to remember transaction code for this is OBA7.
Okay.
Very important. Okay, this transaction you have to remember. OBA7. Okay, this is about the documentation. Next, field status variant. Okay, what it does? It controls the fields at the transaction data level. Okay, it controls the fields at the transaction data level.
Okay.
Okay, this particular setting only at the time of the testing you get it clarity. Just try to understand what I'm trying to achieve. Okay,
Okay.
this field status variant, it consists of field status groups. Okay,
Okay.
for example, the field status group G001, or you have G005 or G006. Okay, so these field status groups. Under field status variant you will have field status groups. These field status groups controls the fields transaction data level. So these, whatever you are seeing, this field status groups G001, G003, these groups, okay, they are assigned in GL master data. Okay, under the create bank or interest tab, under this tab. Okay, under this tab,
Okay.
in the field status group. Okay,
Okay.
in the GL, when you create a GL master data, for example, I created a GL master, let's say share capital. Okay, one GL I created, share capital. Under the share capital GL, I'll assign this field status group G001 like this. Okay, this is how they are controlled. Okay,
Okay.
so for these fields, whatever the fields you are seeing, okay, I'll show you the fields also. These fields, either you can keep it as optional, display, required. 3 options you will have. You can select whichever option you feel like.
Okay.
Okay, you can do this. So this you get more clarity when I do the testing at that particular range.
Okay.
So now I have defined the document types. This is OBA7. This is done. Now I'm going to the field status. Define field status. Assign company code. So what I'll do is I'll copy this. Okay. This one, I'll select this.
Okay.
I'll copy. Can you see here? This is a copy.
Yes.
After, once I copy, I need to change this to whatever I want. I'll name it as A400. You can name it whatever you want to. This is for A400. Just press enter. So do you want to copy? Yes, I want to copy all. So 41 entries got copied now. I just say continue. I'll save it. Continue.
So what 41 entries got copied?
Yeah, we'll see that. What are the 41 entries? I'll select
okay.
this. I'm selecting this field status variant. What did I say over here? Yeah, my field status variant controls the fields, right? So I said here field status variant consists of field status groups.
Groups. Okay.
Okay. Consists of field status groups. So see here, this is the field status. Now I want to see A400 under this here groups. So these are all your 41 items that I copied, all this.
Oh, okay.
So I have given the example of G001, 5, 6, like this, see.
Okay.
So let us double click on the G001. I double click on the G001. So all these fields. Now I go to the general data, see assignment, text, invoice. Either I can suppress, required, optional. Okay, there is no display actually. Instead of display, it is suppress.
Okay.
Suppress. Okay, either you can suppress the field so that you cannot see the field. If you keep it as required, it will become mandatory and optional. Whether you enter, you don't enter, you will get these fields. So at the time of the testing, I'll show you this all.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear, Usman?
Yes.
Getting this? Okay, next. So whatever we create, we assign it, right? From the day one we are seeing this, from the day we are creating the company. So whatever we create, now assignment is simple. It's very simple, like just go to the company position, go to your company code A400 and do your respective whatever the field status variant you have created, give it, save it, back. So this is about the field status variants.
Okay.
Okay, next. Tolerance. Tolerance. I think most people know like Bata, right? The shoe shop. If you see the pricing, it looks like 99, right? 99, 95 paise, right? I think the pricing is very peculiar kind, like 199, 299, 499.95 paise, right? Something like that. You'll see the pricing. So, for example, let's say you went to a shop where you're purchasing. The cost of the product is 401 rupee. Okay? A rupee, whatever you got, or a dollar, or whatever it is, USD. 401 USD. You gave him $500. Okay, to the cashier. He returned you with 400 USD. Right?
Right.
He returned you with 400 USD. See, how much is he foregoing?
$300. What happened?
I don't know why this is changing, man. Now big classes have become a presenter.
But on the screen it just shows that
Let me check once. And what are these people doing, man? Can you see my screen now? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The cost of the product is $401. You paid
Yeah.
$500. He returned you with how much? $100. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Product cost is this much. Okay.
Yeah.
You have gave to the cashier what you have given to the cashier. This one. Okay. He returned you this much. So how much he foregoing?
$1.
$1.
Foregone is how much? $1. So this is what is called is nothing but this is his tolerance, tolerating. Clear?
Okay.
So when does this tolerance happening? Only at the time of payment. Clear?
Right.
Right? Only at the time of the payment, right? Clearing, what we call as.
Yeah.
So this type of tolerance is maintained at tolerance at GL level. Clear?
Okay.
So this is one type of a tolerance. Next. Suppose if you are trying to say a particular user, Aditi, is restricted only to post up to 10,000 USD, not more than this.
Okay.
Control plus Aditi can give a discount as a user, can give a discount up till 10%. Okay. You're trying to put a
Okay.
control, right? Limit.
Right.
Right. So 10,000 USD for GL. Okay. X. Then you can same thing. You can post up till Aditi can post up till let's say 8,000 USD in case of for AR and AP. Right? You're putting a control on this. These kind of a tolerance is called tolerance at employee level.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Employee level. So these are the two types. One more is there for the customer and vendor, that at the time of AR and AP I'll show you that.
Okay.
Okay. Now these tolerances are controlled. Like GL you need to maintain. If you want to control, if you want to put a user specific control, then all these you create for user specific, then you will assign in the respective GL. Like if this is for GL, so you'll assign in the GL master data. Okay. You want to put a control here for a particular GL.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll go ahead and create. general ledger accounting, business transaction, clearing, define tolerance group for GL accounts.
Okay.
So this one is for employees. See, I'll go to here. Define tolerance group for GL accounts. New entries. I'm not maintaining any group, so I'll just give the company code A400. You want to maintain text, you maintain. Otherwise, it's okay. Tolerance for A400. Just a description, nothing else.
Okay.
So I'll give here like $5, like $1 we were accepting right over there. Hello?
Yeah.
So I'm saying minimum 5. It's okay up till $5, or it can be 2%. Either
Okay.
one. Save it. Tolerance limit. Back. This was for the GL. Now this is for the employee level. New entries. So I'm not grouping anything. I'll just get company code A400. Enter. See, currency has come. So what I'll do, I'll just put $1. So when we get the error, we'll try to do it.
Okay.
So here also the same tolerance limit 5%, $5. So I'll give 1%. Enter and save it. So one is at the GL level, one is at the employee level. Clear till here?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Enter global parameters.
Okay.
So what are these global parameters? Let's see. I will go here, global parameters, position, go to your company code, A400, enter. I just double click on this A400. What do you see here? Chart of accounts, company, rate control area, fiscal year variant, right? This all we defined, right?
Yeah.
See? Right?
Yeah.
So all the respective settings you'll see here.
Okay.
Okay. So all these aspects like the check boxes, again when I do the testing, I'll select this and show you what is happening. I'll select this and I'll show you what is happening. Okay.
Okay.
Will not do anything over here. So just save it. Back. Okay. Now I want to test this entire stuff, how it works and all this.
Okay.
To test this, I need to create a general ledger. I'm going to a GL accounts now. General ledger.
Okay.
General ledger. I think I'll stop here. So if I take this, it will go for an hour. Okay.
Okay.
This general ledger now. Okay. So I expect you people to practice this till this end. Okay. Whatever you are getting.
Okay.
So we can get. Now can you share? Can you just show me that error?
Yeah. 1 minute. Sir, can you just give me a minute?
Yeah. Mhm. Usman, hello.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
You asked for the
I'm,
entire videos. Okay, all
yes,
the videos, and yeah, you have some time, so I'll be meeting back again on Monday. Okay,
okay, okay.
so you have time, you just go through those videos, and if you have any issues or anything, okay,
So it will be on same time in the
Monday?
morning. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah, for now, I'll just at the
yes,
same time, I'll just move it an hour in front.
yes. That's what Sulinder told me
Mm.
that like in next 2-3 days it will be
Mm.
here in UAE. It's 3:30, and
So it'll be around 4:30.
he told me 5 is 5:30, I think.
Yeah, something. Yeah, we'll try to set it up, man. Not a problem.
No, but 3:30. It's very difficult to. Then we have to go to office. Or,
Yeah, so you just go through the sessions first initially.
yes.
Okay, so if you just note it down whatever you feel like you did not understand or whatever you need explanation on that.
In the first one, I was confused a little bit about testing.
Testing I've not done, yet not done.
Okay.
Okay, so when I start doing the testing, then you will get a clarity on that.
Okay.
You're talking about that landscape?
Yes. Yes.
I'll explain you like this. You just note it down. You are confused on the landscape. I'll do it again on that.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever you're feeling like, that landscape and all that, let me know. So any particular setting you did not understand, those things, you just ask for them for the entire videos.
Yes.
Okay. You call them up immediately after this session and try to understand what they're looking for.
Okay.
Okay. So you go through all this. Okay. You there? Aditi? Hello? Aditi?
Yes, sir, I'm here only.
Okay, just
Hello?
go there now. You're there on the screen, right?
Yeah,
It got disconnected.
so financial accounting or financial accounting new is not any different, right?
Same. You go through same path, it's same. Nothing different. Hold on.
Okay.
Just give X in the statement. Acha, you already give X.
Yeah. So what does this X stand for?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
1 000 10 you give.
1 000 10.
Enter.
Say
Enter. What did read that message?
not created in chart of accounts SHA1.
Yeah, we have not yet created, huh? It's right?
Yeah.
So just press, I told you yellow messages, just ignore it. Press enter once again.
Okay.
Okay, save it. Whenever you get a yellow message, it's just a warning. Read it, and then you can
Sir,
continue.
but that was not what I was telling you. Maybe that time there was a problem with the server, so I was getting a big full screen red message that
Okay, I
some
don't know.
kernel thing is. So probably that was the problem that time.
That's working fine, right?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah, just go through all the settings once again. Go through
Yes,
the
sir.
entire recording so that we test it on Monday. That will be your it will be for me Tuesday. It will be for you Monday.
Monday. Yes, sir. So, but same time, or you were just talking about the time?
Yeah, I'll change it. Okay, give me some more time. Some another 2 days or 3
Yeah,
days.
it's okay.
Yeah,
So,
I'll change it
okay,
for
sir.
hour or something like that.
No, I wanted to know for Monday it is the same time, right?
Same time.
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
Okay, just I'm closing one batch, so it will be over 2-3 days.
Okay, sir.
All right, Usman. Okay,
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
thanks.
Bye.
Bye.